Hi everyone, my name is Rachel Renew. I'm a senior here studying International Business and Marketing, and I am originally from Troy, Michigan.
My name is John Wenning. I'm from Coldwater, Ohio. I'm a senior this year studying Supply Chain and Sales and Service Marketing.
My name is Nigel Slaughter. I am originally from Detroit, Michigan. I'm majoring in International Business and Marketing, and I'm a junior this year.
And my name is Zachary Durliat, and I'm from Arlington, Ohio, studying Accounting and Finance, and I'm a junior this year as well. And right now, we're outside the College of Business.
Hello, my name is Emily Nguyen. I'm from Hanoi, Vietnam. I am a senior studying Business Analytics and Management Information System. I have been to Bowling Green for 2.5 years. So welcome to our College of Business.
So right now, I'm at the Dean's Picnic. It's an event that we hold every year, and it's where we get free food. Hundreds of College of Business students are here, and it really is just a great time. When you're in the College of Business, you really belong. We're like really one big family, and even Dean Braun's over here, and he's eating with us.
Another great thing about the Dean's Picnic on the Green is that you get rewards points for coming, and rewards points get you reward prizes.
I remember when I was trying to figure out what university I wanted to go to.
Yeah, that was a tough decision. I remember looking at business schools from all across Ohio.
And I think that's why we asked a couple freshmen why they chose Bowling Green.
My name is Firdaus Muhammad. I'm from Cleveland. I do make music. I'm a music producer, and I wanted to do marketing to learn how to market myself as an artist.
My name is Mackenzie Taylor, and I'm from Burbank, Ohio. I had started to take college courses when I was 16, so I had my associate's degree. I would have to say getting to know people from different communities and different places of the world is definitely something I'm very excited about.
My name is Wei Jiang. I come from China, Tianjin. The College of Business have a really good major, information system management. I'm very love to join this place. I hope to meet lots of good peers and meet my professors.
This year we're going to take you through what it's like to be a College of Business student, and not just class stuff, but more so how to get involved and be engaged.
Here in the College of Business, we have lots of swag that business students earn, like apparel, water bottles, and book bags. We're going to give you a chance to win before you're even here. This month's winner is Josh Gerding from Fort Jennings High School. DM us to claim this book bag right here. We will continue to offer prizes like this every month, and they're going to get bigger and better. To enter to win, follow us and share this video with the hashtag BGSU Biz giveaway. Watch this next month's video to see if you have won.